How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 or 8.0 foot and calf massager. You will need a manual Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, use the remote control legs up button to raise the foot and calf massager as far as it will go. Next, power off the chair, then unplug it. Now, remove the two screws that secure the rear of the foot and calf massager's left-hand side panel to the chair. Lift up on the footrest release lever on the right-hand side panel, then rotate the massager toward the chair to expose the two front screws. Remove the screws. Next, remove the side panel from the chair. Now, remove the same 4 screws from the right-hand side panel. Remove the screw that secures the footrest release lever, then remove the side panel from the chair. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the connectors on the left-hand side of the massager. Then, disconnect the connectors. Next, remove the 3 screws that secure the left-hand metal collar. While holding the left-hand collar in place to support the massager, remove the 3 screws that secure the right-hand metal collar. Finally, while supporting the massager with one hand, remove both metal collars and then remove the massager from the chair. To install the new massager, feed the cable harness through the hole in the left-hand mounting bracket, then slide the metal collar over the harness. Note the tabs on the back of the collar must be installed in the corresponding slots on the mounting bracket. With the flat side of the massager facing up, position the collar as shown, aligning the screw holes. Then, replace the 3 screws to secure the collar. Now, install the metal collar on the right-hand side of the massager, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Next, connect the cable harness connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Thread a new zip tie through the tab on the side panel, then use it to secure the front end of the connectors to the side panel. Use a second zip tie to secure the rear end of the connectors to the cable harness. Cut the excess zip ties. Next, place the right-hand side panel into position, then replace the top rear screw to secure it. Now, place the footrest release handle into position, then replace the screw to secure it. Replace the remaining 3 side panel screws. Now, place the left-hand side panel into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. Then use the remote to lower the foot and calf massager.